notice in the background, that's Derek playing video games. There's no one being harmed in this apartment. Okay, so I just finished cleaning my face and I applied my moisturizers and serums. And I just wanted to show you the last step of my skincare routine, which I don't do every day, but I do it a few times a week. High frequency facial one. I love this thing. It's amazing. And the shape is very questionable. Derek's reaction to getting this in the mail was interesting, but let me open it and show you what it looks like. It's pretty delicate, so it comes with this foaming to keep it nice and clean, and this is what it looks like. I'll show you each of the electrodes individually, but this is the wall plate. And I know what you think it looks like, but that's not what it is. Nasty. This is the comb. So this is to stimulate hair growth. Very excited about that. My hairline's receding. Thanks, Rain. This is the mushroom. So this is for like all over application. I'll show you that later. This one's for more like smaller areas. I don't know the name of it. The paper that it came with says that it's called Bent, but I'm like 87.9% sure that that's not what this is called. So we're gonna call this the ET finger. So, and then there's this one. This is for like spot treatment. The paper says that it's called the tongue, and that's like oddly sexual. So we're gonna call this the spoon, which I saw it referred to as on like websites and research that I was doing. So I should have wrote down the names of these things that I saw, but I didn't do that. So clearly I'm not prepared. So this is the wand. On the bottom, you will see the numerical settings. It shows like a dial and it ends at 2. So it's like, oh, go from 1 to 2. Like that's where they recommend you start, between 1 and 2 to the highest. And then as you grow accustomed to it and you get used to the feeling of the static shock to your face, you can bring the frequency higher, but I haven't gotten to that point yet. So we're just gonna keep it at a 2, which is a little much for me. So I'm gonna start with the mushroom. This is for all over. So it's off, you insert the electrode into the base, and you wanna hold it close to the bottom, because if you apply too much force, you can break it. So just be very gentle with the little baby. She's gentle, she's fragile, okay? Put this at 2, you hear that? Move it this way just so that you can see it better. So this promotes collagen production. It also kills bacteria in your face, especially stubborn bacteria that's kind of like hiding right underneath the surface. So you can use this for like under 20 minutes. I don't have a very steady hand, so I'm gonna redo this part off camera with my clean towel, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you just kind of glide it around. Okay, so then I turn it off. Now we're going to switch to a smaller electrode. We're going to switch it to the ET finger looking one. So you grab it by the base, be very gentle, insert it into the base, and then we cut it on to 2. And we go around the nose. It's got a little kick to it today. God damn. God damn. Got a little kick to it. Whew, my eye twitched. Okay. I have deep set frown lines, laugh lines. I laugh more than I frown, so we're gonna call them laugh lines. So I kind of like to concentrate in that area just to encourage the collagen production so that I can remain young forever. Same with in between my eyebrows. I'm very expressive, you know, as if you can't already tell. So this is a problem area for me. And then I have like this one line that's like right in the middle of my forehead right here. That's just like deep set. And that's because I'm always like, and that's how I got that. Okay, and lastly, we're gonna use the spoon, not the tongue, nasties. This is for spot treatment, so you hit the point on stuff right here. And I have a few blemishes on my chin, like some hormonal stuff, and this, and I guess for shits and giggles, I'm gonna crank this hoe up. I'm scared. I've never put it all the way up to the highest setting, which is a 5. So let me. Oh, why is it spicy? That's torture. Let me try again. Ay, coño. I'm not doing that. That hurts. So I'm guessing when my face gets used to it, we'll bring it up, but like a 5 is some sort of punishment. That's all I can think of. I got this product a few months ago and I love it. I've noticed a difference in my skin. I noticed that when I do get a blemish, it's fairly small and localized. Before, I would get larger breakouts that would migrate along my face. So I do think that this has been helping with that. So I'm not going to use the comb attachment today. I haven't really played with that one too much, but when I get familiar with it, I guess I'll make another video and talk about it, but I'm not going to do it today because I just don't have enough experience with it to even talk about it. I'm holding this in a very sexual way to put down. I don't know why I'm using it as a microphone. So I put everything back. This case is great. Comes with a foam insert so that you know that your glass electrodes are safe. It also comes with another foam piece to lay on top. I just keep it in the box because it's just easier. I have the space for it. It's a very sturdy box. Nothing's really gonna happen to it. And I know that if it accidentally falls, rain, it's safe because it's got the foam inserts. I know that you can use it, well, I read, and my sister also said that you can use it delicately on a low setting around your under eye and crow's feet area. So it feels a little extra when I did that, so we don't do that all the time. Then I get more comfortable with the machine and I'm noticing that my tolerance level is building and I'm able to use the wand at a higher frequency. I'll make another video and we can talk about how that's going. So good night, corazones. See you in my next video. Bye.